welcome to SSN. Today I am going to explain you about fractions. In fractions there are 5 topics. First one is proper fraction. In proper fractions, like fractions and mixed fractions, and also 2 topics which I am going to explain you. So now let's start our class. Now first time I will explain you about introduction of fractions. So first, what are fractions? A fraction is a part of a whole. For example, this is a whole which divides into 2 parts. If this is a apple, if this is apple or orange, if Reena took half of it and Tina took half of it. So what fraction did Reena took? How you will tell? Total parts of this orange is 2, and how much of Reena took? Half part. So half means 1 to 1. 1 by 2 of orange Reena took. How 2 will tell you about how many total parts or how many equal parts are there, and 1 will tell you that how many are taken, shaded, or anything like taken, shaded, took, and want to take. Okay, so this, which will be the whole, which determines the whole part, is known as denominator. And how many are took or how many are taken or shaded are called, which is the up one, is called numerator. So about this orange, what denominator tells? Denominator tells what are the total parts of this orange, and what numerator tells here? How much Reena took and Tina took will tell. So Reena took 1 by 2 and also Tina took 1 by 2. This is about Reena, Tina. And 2 by 4 is a fraction, 3 by 2 is a fraction, 1 by 2 is a fraction, 2 by 2 is also a fraction. These are all called fractions. Now let's see an example of pizza.
There are 4 slices of pizza. So, Tina took 2 slices of them and Reena took 2 slices of them. So what will be the fraction? So Tina took 2. So Tina's fraction, so total are 4. So 4 is called a denominator, which is down. Total number of things or items is called a denominator, and how much he took or she took is called numerator. So total number of pizzas is 4. So 2 by 4. So each took 2 by 4 of pizzas.
So now did you understand the example of pizza? Okay, then now let's go to our next topic. So our next topic is about proper fractions. So what are proper fractions? Proper fractions definition or meaning is in its name. Proper. It will be proper. Have 1 by 2. This is called denominator. This is called numerator. This is a proper fraction. How? The denominator is bigger than the numerator. The denominator is bigger than the numerator. So when the denominator will be bigger than the numerator, they are called proper fractions. For example, 2 by 3 is a proper fraction, 5 by 10 is a proper fraction, 1000 by 2000 is a proper fraction, because the denominator is bigger than the numerator. And these are called proper fractions. So let's find the definition, and you can also copy definition of proper fractions. So what is a proper fraction? A fraction which has numerator smaller than the denominator are called it is proper fraction definition, right? You need to keep like this and that. Fraction which has numerator smaller than the denominator, or else a fraction which has denominator bigger than the numerator. You can also write like this. For example, and write also examples. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 2 by 15, etc. And you can write your own. This is about proper fraction. Now let's go to our next topic. Now our next topic is about improper fractions. So as proper fractions, its definition is in its name. How improper? Proper means the denominator will be bigger than the numerator, but improper, let's find. 3 by 2 is an improper fraction. This is denominator, this numerator, because the denominator will be smaller than the numerator. The denominator or the numerator will be bigger than the denominator. Are called improper fractions. Fractions will be proper, improper, like, unlike, mixed, and fractions. So like these fractions will be there. So you need to understand what is proper, what is improper, what is like, what is unlike, and what is mixed. So as these are improper fractions, as the numerator is bigger than the denominator. For example, 5 by 2, 3 by 1, 10 by 5 are all improper fractions because the numerators are bigger than the denominator. S means smaller, B means bigger. As a proper fraction will have S, B. But here in improper fractions it will be B and S. B means bigger, S means smaller. Its opposite of improper fraction is our opposite of proper fractions. Now let's find the definition. Same as proper fractions but different. A fraction which has numerator bigger than the denominator. A fraction which has numerator bigger than the denominator. Example, 3 by 2, 10 by 5, 3 by 1, and etc. You can take your own. So this is about improper fractions. Now let's go to our next topic. So now our next topic is about like fractions. What are like fractions? Like fractions are fractions. So like fractions are fractions with two or more fractions. There will be two or more fractions with same denominator. For example, 1 by 2. 2 or more means 2 or more. 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2. Neither they are proper fractions or improper fractions. How to find like fractions? If they ask, find like fractions in these groups. This is a B group. So many groups, ABCD groups. So you need to not check which are proper, which are improper, which are like, which are proper or improper. First you need to check if these groups have same denominators. Yes, means circle the group or tick something. So as these 2 or more, right? 3 fractions have same denominator. So these are called like fractions. So these are called like fractions. So in these like fractions, for example, 6 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 3 by 3 are all like fractions. And now this is about like fractions. Now let's go to our next topic. And now our next topic is about unlike fractions. Unlike fractions, like, unlike fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions. So as proper fractions and improper fractions, like fractions are also opposite and opposite, like fractions, unlike fractions. Like fractions have same denominator, then with unlike fractions have different denominator. 1 by 2, 3 by 3, 1 by 1, 6 by 10, 2, 3, 1, 10 are different of 6 by 16. 2, 3, 1, 16 have different, this B group have okay. This C group have different denominators. If teacher asks, so which group are like fractions, circle them. Or circle the big number, C and D. So which one you will circle? This one, because they have different denominators as this group as B group have same denominator. So these are like fractions. Any group, two or more fractions which have different denominators are called unlike fractions, and 2 or more fractions which have same denominator are called like fractions. This is about unlike fractions and like fractions. If anyone asks you what are like fractions, also you can tell easily, because with 2 or more fractions which have different denominator are called like fractions, and 2 or more fractions which have same denominator are called like fractions, and which do not have which have different denominators are called unlike fractions. This is about like and unlike fractions. Now let's go to our next topic. So now like fractions and like fractions after, our next topic is about mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. The definition or the glossary or the meaning is in its name, mixed. There will be mixed fractions. The fractions will be mixed in that. For example, 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. 2, 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction. How they are mixed fraction? So mixed fractions are fractions which have a whole part with a fraction. Whole part with the fraction. Whole part with the fraction. This is a whole part. This is a fraction. How you will draw a diagram? See, for like fraction 1 by 2, how you will draw a diagram? You will share this. This is called 1 by 2. The improper fraction 3 by 2. How? It's hard, right? It's very easy. So you can't draw 3. You can't share three parts in okay. You can't share 3 parts in 2 parts. A circle 2, you can't share 2 parts in a whole. In a two equal parts. How will you share 3 parts in this 2 equal parts? No, right? For this you need to take another one, another circle, and with 2 equal parts. This will not become 4. This is 2. This is 2. 2 equal parts, and you will share 1, 2, and 3. This is 3 by 2. Okay. And how will you do 1 by 2? See, 2 you can't draw. 1 means whole. You need to take this whole. Means 2. Then 1 by 2. This is whole part. Then 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Done. Whole totally. Whole. 1 means a whole part. A mixed fraction will contain a whole part with a fraction. Whole part. Whole part. So 2. Totally. And a fraction. Fraction. See? Are you observing that this diagram of 3 by 2 and this diagram of 1 by 2 are same? Why? Why? I'll tell you in the next topic. Okay. So now let's learn about mixed fractions. First, let's continue our topic. After that, in the next topic, you'll compulsory know about how this 1 by 2, let me write here to remember that. 1 by 2 are equal with diagrams. Same, right? Did you understand? 3 by 2. 2 parts, 3. How you can't, then you can't draw 2 equal parts in 3 parts, right? So then you need to take another diagram and shade 1, 2, 3. Done. They'll check, if you have several diagrams, but they'll check only one diagram to see. What is the fraction of this? If anyone asks you, this is shaded. How will you find the first denominator? First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. These many are there, but you are checking the first or second one. How many parts are there? How many whole parts? All have same whole parts, right? So why did it 4, 4, 4, 4? Single 4. And how many I should do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 by 4 is the answer. As these two are equal, right? Why? Let's find in our next topic. So, first mixed fractions. 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. 1 3 by 2 3 is a mixed. 1 3 by 2 is a mixed fraction. 2 5 by 10 is a mixed fraction. 2 5 by 10 means 10. Can't draw 10, right? In a circle, it's hard. So let's take another diagram. Okay, 1, 2, 3, another one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2, right? Two are totally shaded. And 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the diagram of this. Same like this 1 by 2 I showed you here. 1 3 by 2 means 1 wholly shaded. And the one because 3 by 2 is improper fraction, you need to convert. So 1, then 1, 3 by 2. This is equal. This is 1, 3 by 2. Then this is about improper. This is about mixed fraction. So now let's go to our next topic to find this answer. Why? Why? Let me tell you what is the topic. What is the topic? Converting mixed fractions into improper fractions. How to, today I'm going to tell you about, in this topic I'm going to tell you about how to convert mixed fractions into improper fractions and improper fractions into mixed fractions. How to convert them. So here, if I take a fraction, 3 by 5 by 2, convert into, this is improper fraction. Converting mixed fractions into improper fractions, I reverse. Improper fractions into mixed fractions, like this, come like this. Mixed fractions into improper fractions, again improper fractions into mixed fractions. Like this. Improper fractions into mixed fractions. Okay. 5 by 2 is improper fractions. Now let's convert into first mixed fractions into improper fractions. Okay. 1 3 by 5. Convert into improper fractions. How to convert them? It's easy. Let's see. Multiply denominator 5. See denominator 5. 5. See denominator into whole part plus numerator. Denominator into whole part plus 3 plus numerator. 5 into same. Denominator will be same. Okay. 5 then equal to 5 into 1 5 into 5 plus 3 5 6 7 8 same. 8 by 5 is the improper fraction of 1 by 1 3 by 5's mixed fraction. 1 3 by 5 into improper fraction means what's the answer? 8 by 5. This is the denominator is whole plus numerator. Let me tell you another example. Yeah, I will remember. Okay. 1 by 2 this equals to 3 by 2. Are you correct? Yeah. Right. Okay, let me check that. So first, let me give you an example after that. If I give 5 6 by 10 or 5 6 by 10, converting to improper fraction, denominator same denominator into whole plus numerator. Then as usual, 10 5s are 50. 56 by 10 is the improper fraction of 5 6 by 10. Okay. Now let's convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now you learn how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now this mixed fraction, improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now I'm going to tell Same, 56 by 10. Let's see. So, we need to get 5, 6 by 10. Remember. So, 56 by 10. How to convert it? First, to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction, we used multiplication and addition. Now here, to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, we are going to use division. Means 10 means 56 divided by 56 divided by 10. Let's divide. 10 5s are 56. As this is a remainder, this is a quotient, this is a divisor, this is a dividend. Divisor. So here, first remainder, then divisor. Remainder will be numerator, divisor will be the denominator, and the quotient will be the whole. 5 6 by 10. See, watch. 5 6 by 10 we need to get, so we got 5 6 by 10. As this converting improper fraction into mixed fraction is correct. So now, if I take 2 1 by 3 to convert into, let's first draw the diagram. Three means you need to draw this diagram like this. Two whole, right? Another one. Let's see. Because this totally is will be filled with 2 whole 1 by 3. 1 by 3. This is the diagram of this. Let's convert it into improper fraction. 3 2s are 3 into 2 into 2 plus 1. 3 into 2 plus 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 3. Let's draw a diagram of 7. Same 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 means another 1, right? 7. Check this diagram. Whole, 2 wholes. Same 2 wholes. 1 by 3. 1 by 3. As this fraction diagram indicates as same. This diagram are same as 2 1 by 3 can be written as 7 by 3. 2 1 by 3 can be written as 7. If you convert also, 2 1 by 3 is written as 7 by 2. Why are you converting? You can write 2 1 by 3 mixed fraction as also improper fraction. This is the main topic and you need to understand this. Why we are converting? Because 2 1 by 3, to understand we are writing in improper fraction. If you got 2 1 by 3 is and 7 by 3 are same. If you have doubt, draw the diagrams. See, 2 whole, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So this is the same problem is in this. Why? Done. We understood. I understood you. That's right. Done. I understood. Because 1 by 2. Let's draw the diagram. Sorry. This ball is taken and see. Now let's convert. 2 2 into 1 plus 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 3 plus 1 3. 3 by 2. Draw the diagram. Another one. 2 plus 1 3. See same diagrams as 1 by 2 is same as 3 by 2, but we are writing it differently as improper fractions are mixed fractions. Okay, to understand they gave as mixed fractions because to mix a whole. Yes, you need to understand that mixed fractions are improper fractions are mixed fractions. If you convert them or if you draw the diagram, you will understand that. So like this, improper fractions, right? If you understood about this, it was given like now. So now I told you that I will tell you another 2 topics. One topic is left, but I am going to tell another topic because that is easy to understand for you if it will be in your school books. That is that about equivalent fractions. What are equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions that they'll be equal. If you write like that or like this, they are equivalent. For example, 1 by 2 is equivalent as 2 by 4. Because we take into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2. As 1 by 2 has many fractions. So if anyone asks, write 2 equivalent fractions of 2 by 4. You need to multiply it for 1 with 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 1 is 4 by 8. Another again 2, right? 2 after 3. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s 6, and 8 3s are 24. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Another one is 12 by 24. If you multiply it with the serial numbers, you will get many equivalent fractions because if 4 by 8 is equal to 12 by 24. Okay, like if you make it bigger, like if you cut some lines in 12 by 24, you will get 4 by 8 because deforming like this, like a Ashoka Chakra, something lines. So like that, if you make it short, 4 by 8 can be written as 12 by 24 again into 4, another fraction, into 5, another fraction. So like these fractions are called equivalent fractions. Okay. So now let's quickly go to our next topic. So now after converting fractions improper into mixed into improper, now let's go to our next topic, which is adding. I'm not getting space in my small board. Here. Adding and subtracting fractions. So you need to add or subtract some fractions. If I give, so what are like fractions? 2 or more fractions with same denominator. 1 by 2, 3 by 2. It is very easy to add this like fraction because it will be not much tough to add these like fractions. Because if you add these, 2, denominator is same, so the answer denominator will be also same because same denominators, right? 1 plus 3 is 4 by 2. If I give 3 by 10 minus 4 minus 2 by 10. 3 minus 2 is 1. Same, 10, 10. Like fractions means the answer will also be in these fractions as 10. 1 by 10 is the answer of 3 by 10 minus 2 by 10. This is about adding like fractions and subtracting like fractions. Adding first like fractions. How to add these like fractions? It is easy, right? If you have much bigger number as 2563 by 10000. Same 10000 plus 2482. Add first the answer is 10,000. 10,000. It's 2563 plus 2482. 3 by 3 plus 2, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 4, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5045, 5045 is the answer. If the denominators are same, the answer or addition or subtraction, the answers will be also same. Same. Okay. So if you get to add or subtract unlike fractions, so then you need to convert. You need to multiply. There's much more things. Let me explain. If I give 3 by 2 plus 4 by 2, I'm writing like fractions. If 3 by 2 plus 5 by 15, these are unlike fractions. And proper, improper, don't worry. Okay. So, unlike or like, just check about that. Unlike. So, first take the denominators and find the LCM. LCM means least common factor. HCF means highest common factor. Did you get in your mind? So least common factor, let's use LCM, least common factor, factorization. So find the least common factor of this method. If you forget this method, check here. I am going to tell you how to find about this method. How to find the LCM, if you forgot. So first you need to take the prime factors, 2, 3, 5, 7 and etc. prime factors. So mostly these prime numbers are used. So let me also use these fractions. So first 2 ones are like prime factors are examples of tables. 2 ones are 2 table 15 no. So I write as it is. Maybe if I do like this, you will get remembered about this. 15. Is 15 is there in prime numbers? Don't know and see. 5 table, right? Or 3 table, let me take. 3 is same as 1. 3. 5 are 15. So 5 as it is. 5 ones are 5. 1. If you get at last one, find, so LCM is 2 into 3 into 5. What is the answer? 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. 30 is the answer. LCM of 2 and 50. So this 30 will become the denominator of 3 by 2 and 5 by 50. But not directly, I told multiplication. So here is used multiplication and here also will be used multiplication. How? Let me tell you. First write the fraction 3 by 2 and 5 by 15. In two table, how much you will get? You will get 30 because 30 will become the denominator, right? So 2, how much you'll get 30? 15, how much you'll get 30? 15 twos are 30. As in 2 15s are 30. And same into 15 we added, right? Same into, and what about numerator? Same, 15 into what? Same, 15 into 2. 2, 5 into also 2. 3 into 15. 5 twos are 3 15s are. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45. 15 threes are 45. 5 twos are 10. 45 by 30, 10 by 30. 45 by 30 indicates that 3 by 2. So we did here, we used here 3 by 2's equivalent fraction is 45 by 30. And 5 by 2's equivalent fraction is 5 by 15 equivalent fraction is 10 by 30. So just now plus, right? 45 by 30 plus 10 by 30. That is equals to 45 plus 10. So 45 plus 10. 5, 0, 50. Oh, 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 0, 5, 55. 55 by same 30 is the answer. 55 by 30 is the answer. So what you'll get here? Same 55 by 30. This is about adding unlike fractions. It's so big, right? Unlike fractions. If you have mixed fractions, unlike fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions are not used here. But in mixed fractions means, here you'll use converting. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 1. I think I'm going to get in my mind. So 2, 3 by 5. I got critical or easy for you to understand. So 1 by 2 and minus 2, 3 by 5. So how to get this answer? Here you need to convert it into mixed fraction. 1 by 2's mixed fraction is 2 ones are 2 into 1 plus 1 plus 1. 2 into 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. 3 by 2. Nice. 5 twos are 10. 11 plus 13. 13 by. So you need to convert it and cross check, because if you did here converting it in proper fractions, any small mistake, the whole answer will be very will become tough, or it will become wrong, totally wrong. You will get 0 in this. If it had 1 mark, 0. 5 marks means 5 by 0. 0 by 5 you will get in this topic. In this. So 5 twos are 10. 1, 2, 3, 13. 5. Very good. Now I am correct. So 3 by 2 minus 13 by 5. So first find LCM. 2, 5. 2 ones are 2. Same as it is. 5 ones are 5. LCM. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 is the denominator. So what is 3 by 2? 13 by 15. 15, how much you'll get? 10. 10 is this 10? Oh sorry, 5, right? 15, how much I have? 5? 5. Let me write this. So first is 2, how much? 10? 5 as it is. 5 3s are 15. 5 how much? 10? 2. Same 2. 13 was a 13. 13 2s are 26. 5 2s are 10. So now, here 15 by 10 minus, right? Okay, 26 by 10. 26 minus 50. So here in fractions you can reverse it. 6 by 5 1, 2 by 5 1, 11. So first cross check. 6 by 5 1, 2 by 1 1. Yeah. 10, 11 by 10 is the answer. So this is about that, how to add or subtract. So addition means same. Same, you need to find the LCM and same. But here you need to take plus. 6 plus 5, 11, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 41. 41 by 10. If addition 41 by 10, if subtraction 11 by 10. So this is about that, how to find the mixed fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, adding in fraction. Now our small and next topic is about multiplication. Multiplication and fractions. I'll tell you in short, and in next video I'll explain you briefly. 1 by 2 multiplied by 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 5. First 1 3s are 2 5s are 10. 3 by 10 is the answer. Here you need to not convert it, nothing. If you have big number, just you need to multiply them. Okay? So this is a short example of multiplication in fraction. In next video, I will explain you briefly. If you like this video or if you understood anything in this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye. Take care.